Hi everyone. My name is Rob Montesclaros. Today I'll be taking about something we often overlook, yet we depend on it every single day: biodiversity. It's more than just plants and animals. It's the balance of life that keep us healthy, fit and alive. Number 1 is, what is biodiversity? In my own words, biodiversity simply means the variety of life on Earth. From the tiniest microorganism to the biggest mammals, from coral reefs to mountain forests. But it's not just about how many species we have. It's about how they work together to keep the world functioning. Without biodiversity, ecosystem collapse. And when ecosystem collapse, humans suffer through food shortages, disease, climate impact, and loss of natural resources. Number 2, how biodiversity affect people health, lifestyle and environment. In health, biodiversity keeps us healthy in many unseen ways. Many medicines comes from plants and animals. Healthy ecosystem control diseases naturally, clean air and clean water from diverse forests and wetland. When biodiversity declines, diseases risk increase and natural protection disappears. For lifestyle, our lifestyle is built on biodiversity. From the food we eat, the clothes we wear, to the job we rely on. Fisheries, farming, tourism, and cultural practices depends on healthy ecosystem. And for environment, biodiversity keeps the environment stable. Forest absorbs carbon and protect us from climate change. Mangroves shield coastlines from storms. Insects pollinate crops so we can eat when species disappear. This natural service weaken and the environment becomes more fragile. My personal reflection. For me, biodiversity is like a safety net we never notice until it breaks. We live in a world where convenience and development often come first. But without nature, there is no society, no economy, no future. I realize that our daily choices, even small ones, affect the living world around us. Every plastic thrown, every forest cleared, every species lost. It all adds up. And soon, we might lose more than just animals. We might lose stability, resilience, and a natural system that protect us. I believe that respecting biodiversity is not just an environmental duty. It's a responsibility to ourselves, to the next generation, and to the planet we call home. Number 4 is the solution for a healthier and more sustainable society. To protect biodiversity, we need collective efforts. Here are my realistic steps. Step 1, reduce pollution. Proper waste disposal and least plastic help protect marine and land ecosystem. And step 2, protect natural habitats. Support reforestation, marine conservation, and sustainable land use. And number 3, the step 3 is practice sustainable lifestyle. Choose eco-friendly products, reduce meat consumption, and support local farmers. The step 4 is strengthen environmental policies. Government must enforce laws on wildlife protection, clean air, and clean water. And number 5 is educate and raise awareness. The more people understand biodiversity, the more they value and protect it. Biodiversity is not something distant. It's the foundation that keeps our world alive. If we care for it, it will take care of us. But if we ignore it, the cost will be greater than we can imagine. Together, through awareness and action, we can build a healthier, safer, and more sustainable society. Thank you for watching.